Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. I'm Paul J from Crypto Traders Arena. For new people, maybe it's the first time you are watching this. Well, let's start as usual with Bitcoin on daily. Stefan, please tell me if everything is nice and clean on YouTube, if you can. Morning Rocco, morning Sebastian, morning Kos, morning Bukur. Okay, so let's start with Bitcoin on daily. Let's keep our nose down and our ego low. Okay, so on daily you can see this chart. Let's go to the next one. Oh, okay, that's the better one. So we just had a 3-bar fractal and confirm here, breaking down. On daily, yeah, clear rejection from short reload zone, clear rejection from this original YAM. But doesn't mean we'll have a V top here. Don't expect, well, straight down. It's possible, but that doesn't mean we should be too aggressive. For the moment, we had a clear rejection from the middle of short reload zone. That's good. We have a 3-bar fractal confirmed. You can see here. We have kind of a small support at 64 here. Let's see if we'll hold for the moment. But the big level will be 60k. If we'll reach this level, then we'll analyze again and we'll see if that level will hold. Yeah, indeed. Everyone was bullish. Ethereum, ETF, Bitcoin to the moon, Ethereum to the moon. You know how that goes usually. People with experience know that usually it's a sell the news kind of event, and we should not be long in that environment. Well, this time wasn't different. We made money on the short side. We were short, or at least telling people don't be long here. We made some money. People who listened made some money. Nothing more we can do as a community. Yeah? We are on the right side of the market. I don't know if someone could do better than that. But the question is, what's next? What we'll do next? So, on daily here, you can see not too many things we can say about the indicators. Well, nice OBV, nice RSI. I don't see bearish divergence, so on daily, I could see the market going back up here in the short reload zone. Short reload zone from this high and this low. Yeah? Swing high, swing low. A bounce back here. That will give us an opportunity to short again. So that's daily on Bitcoin. Let's see total. Like we discussed it yesterday. We said that is back in the channel. And indeed, well-respected channel was a fake out. Some people said, well, no, and even I said, well, we can do an AB equals CD. This fucking channel is too long for that. Total 2, similar. You can see, doesn't matter how you draw the channel, the idea is we are back in the channel. And total 3, similar thing. That doesn't mean we should not pay attention to this level, for example. Let's see what will happen when we'll reach this level. That's simple. Let's just see what will happen. Now, I'll go on the other template on daily. You can see the hedge is still on. Nothing I can do here. We close some here. We are still in profit, still protecting our spot bags. I think we are safe enough. This was a hedge trade, so we should not care about it. If we'll go down, we'll protect our capital. If we'll go back up and we'll close above 70k, we'll stop us at scratch. No big deal. So we closed some here. Some of you closed 50%. Some of you closed, like I said, 30%. Well, okay, it's up to you. Don't touch it from now on. Just leave it there. I said about indicators. Let's go on 4-hour chart and let's see what we have here. Not too many things we can say. Yeah, breaking down, retest and down. Well, I even posted the trade. We discussed the trade yesterday in the live stream. Just go and watch the yesterday live stream. We said, well, this is a classic textbook setup. Yeah, nice location, bearish divergence, and a clear EM. Breaking down, okay, you can buy the retest, sell the retest. Well, the retest come. Not too many people saw this one. And down we go. Now to touch it here, I don't know, to short here at this price, I don't think it's a good idea. What you can do, you can move your stop at this high here, at this week, if you want. That will eliminate most of the risk. Or you can close some and keep the stop loss all the way up here. But in this case, I think it's safe to just move your stop here and forget about it. Target 60k. Why? That's a big support and resistance level. And then we should reassess if the market will accept lower than that. Okay. That's Bitcoin here on 4-hour chart. Ethereum. Well, similar. Yeah. I think you remember this one. I said who wants to take this trade, 4-hour chart, not bigger time, not lower time frame. Don't overthink, don't try to outsmart. I don't like what I didn't like here. I didn't like the location, was a bit too low for my expectation, for my taste. But well, an EM, it's an EM with bearish divergence, everything, and you can see the result. Well, we can push lower, we can test $3,000 pretty easy in the middle of the long reload zone. But if you took this trade, you should be risk free here, or even take some profit off, because if we're looking at the market, we have more than 2-to-1 risk to reward. Well, just move your stop to scratch, close 50%. You made some money, you are still exposed. I think that's the best approach. But just respect your plan, don't listen to me. Yeah, Ken is buying the triangle breakout. Well, it's a meme already, triangle breakout, Ken. Sorry, but nothing we can do. Some people don't want to learn. Influencers don't care. Influencers want to push the market, to keep the market high so they could sell. And the beginners will suffer. If you have friends that they are suffering, tell them to join our community. Nothing more we can do. I cannot save everyone, but we can help some people from our community. So if you want to help them, bring them here. If they are serious and consistent, maybe they can even become traders, maybe even day traders. So what we can do now? Let's keep our nose down. Long reload zone here. Okay. What I'm expecting something like this. Let me see if I could find a tool here. Bad. That's good enough. I'm expecting something like this. Touch. Bounce. I don't know how strong the bounce will be. And then here. In this area. From this area, we should reassess. But that's the target. You can see we'll touch 61.8, usually does. Then we'll bounce, but I don't think it's strong enough, the bounce to hold. And then we'll go in the long reload zone. And here, if we'll see a W, okay, we can think long. For the moment, it's too late, too damn late to short. It's too early to long. Just leave it alone. If you are short, okay, close 50%, stop at scratch, and wait. If you are not, don't try to outsmart the market here. Late shorters, I even posted on Twitter, will get punished. Just don't do it. Okay, that's Ethereum. So bad news is that we cannot, it's not a good location for us to hunt setups here. Good news, if you are short, you made some money overnight. Bitcoin dominance. Well, Bitcoin dominance for our chart, I think, is too low. Let's go on daily. Let's just go on daily. There you go. So range, still in the range, but if we're accepting and closing above these levels and higher, we can push a lot higher. I don't think is the case. We are still in the range until I'll see 57%. Closed above 57%, I'm not thinking bullish. Why? Well, because of the news. Because how the market is behaving. Because Mt. Gox. So I don't think is the case for Bitcoin now to push higher. But it's just my 2 cents. Market could do whatever it wants. Yeah? I think it's buy the dip for altcoins. Some altcoins give you today a nice retest. Take advantage. If you don't come in 2 weeks, 1 month and tell me where the fuck I should buy after already 200% increase. Now it's time to buy with a plan. Yeah? If you are an investor, okay, you should have a plan. If you are a trader, you should have stop loss and a plan, of course. But I don't think it's a shorting opportunity on any altcoins. Just my 2 cents. So, Bitcoin dominance here. Okay, in the short reload zone. I'm still waiting here. Short reload zone is for short. That's why it's called short reload zone here for an M. If I'll see something like this, then I could hunt more aggressively with Holy Grail. I don't know how will happen, if we'll come here, if we'll go here. It's just me playing around. But I'm expecting a kind of an EM here in the short reload zone, and then maybe we can have some altcoins really pumping. Okay, now Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Well, someone said that looks bearish and we should go and test this level. I don't know, a stupid trader, I think. But you can see this candle. Come on, look at this candle. This fucking candle needs a retest. This is the Wyckoff check for the initial W. And we had a lot of M's. First M with bearish divergence, breaking down, retesting. Another M, breaking down, retesting. Another M, breaking down, retesting. Come on. Obvious. Just look at the market. It's that simple. We started from short reload zone. We break. Idea. What's next? Well, slowly bleeding here. Wyckoff checking this level, but I cannot guarantee that the market will not go lower. I want to see this W retested with a new W, breakout and retest to call it a bottom. Until we'll see a clear, crystal clear W on daily, I'm not calling a bottom on Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Sorry, we had the news, we had everything. Ethereum just doesn't have the strength for the moment to outperform Bitcoin. For the moment. Okay. By the way, if you have requests, as usual, type in the chat and we'll gladly take a look. Morning, Hania. See you draw your message. Anyway. Okay. I still think this megaphone is valid. And that's ugly. That means high volatility. When you see Ethereum versus Bitcoin and you see this megaphone, that means high volatility for this pair. That means high volatility in general. So expect the unexpected. Morning, Hania, morning. Okay. DXY. Playing around in the same levels. We'll look on daily basis on this one, but as long as staying here, as long as staying in this this level, I'm okay. Yeah, even SFU and SFU to the upside. Now, let's take a look at day trading part. Yesterday we had a dump. On lower time frame, I draw a Hawas level. People from TRI know about Hawas levels. People from Crypto Traders Arena, I didn't use this tool too much. I like to play with it, but I didn't teach it. I didn't show that. If you want to see more about this one, well, go on TRI and you'll find out more. Ask Brian in the Broil and Chicken show. I learned it from Brian, so I'll give credit for that. But you can see the M here. I draw the house level, first level. A lot of fight, and we discuss it. If we'll accept below, then we'll go to the next one. Well, okay, look at this one. We fight it, we get to this one, fight it again, test it again, the 268, and then to the next level. Usually house levels are good for targets. If you have a setup, take the, for example, if you took a setup here, you took a short here, okay, take the first profit here, second here, and maybe trail the rest, or take everything here. Good for confluence. Look left. Well, I don't want to see people shorting here. I don't think we have enough. We have support here. I don't think we have enough for 1 hour chart to think long. Well, if you want to take this 3-bar fractal, it's risky. Okay. So 3-bar fractal will confirm if we'll touch that level. And okay, let's think about a retest here. Well, that's a 2.5 at least. So you want to take this trade? Okay. You want to wait for a W breakout and retest? Okay. From what I see in the market, I think the market will go straight to this level or straight down or straight. I don't think we'll consolidate today. So still volatile. In general, okay, for day traders, we have allocation here. We can think W here and we can think higher. To short, well, the first level we should think short again, it's this one. 65,700. Why? Well, let me show you why. First stop here. This is the first stop, 38.2. Market will probably bounce to that level. And then here we'll decide if it wants higher or not. It's hard and ugly to trade 38.2. Usually I avoid doing that. I prefer to just don't do anything. If I have enough confluences, okay, I could do it. So the first level to short will be here, and the best one will be 61.8 or 78.6. I'll definitely play the Mountain Man and Shark this time. So people should know that I love to play something like this. Okay, that's the Mountain Man. I want at least a 2-to-1. Let's put it 2-to-1. Okay. And then I'll definitely play the Shark setup. So that's the Shark. And stop loss here. Acceptable. I should use this one, the other high, but I'm okay with that. Actually, no, I should use that fucking level. Okay. Okay, let's draw it down, up, down, up, down. Well, there you go. And here, for the Shark, I'm hunting usually 3-to-1. Yeah, to compensate a little bit. So that's my thinking here. I'm not sure about this 3-bar fractal. I'll prefer to wait for a clear setup here. It's aggressive to take a 3-bar fractal. It's too damn aggressive, even for me. If you want to scalp, well, join VIP. You can scalp with me and Stefan. That's a different thing. But a day trade here, I need more details here. But for short, Mountain Man and Shark. To think long, well, this is the first level. Let's see what will happen here. I could see even an SFU of this level. I could see that and market bouncing from that level. Okay, that's Bitcoin 1 hour. Ethereum. Well, Ethereum outperformed to the downside. We had some setups here. We made some nice money. You saw what Stefan was posting yesterday. The high risk to reward trade. Some people laugh at him. He made nice money. We made nice money. But for that we need setups and not opinions. So Stefan said, okay, this is my setup. I'll take it. The risk reward is too big for me not to take it. And we had opportunities here. You can see from the yesterday levels. We had opportunities to short here. No? Who was short made nice money. Don't try to do it now. It's too damn late. You can see we touched 50%. We can touch 61.8. Yeah. We can touch lower in the long reload zone. Yeah. I'll wait for a W here. Give me a W in long reload zone and I could think long. Until then, well, if he wants to go up without me, so be it. Let's go on 4-hour chart for the rest of altcoins. So, Pixel. Well, I think we are in a good location. I think we can wait for a W like last time. So, pay attention. Not ready yet. Too aggressive, but wait for a W and we can play. Solana. Well, on Solana, if you remember, I said something in 1 hour about this trend channel. Yeah, remember? I said when you get situation like this, it's an uptrend channel. Solana is one of the strongest. So if you want to hunt long ideas, hunt on Solana. And I even posted in the morning on the chat, on the general chat, just to be sure that everyone will see it. Well, look at this. Fake out, W, breakout, retest. You can use this line, this lower part of the channel as a location. W, breakout, retest, and we can go up. It's bulletproof, it's 100%. No, we can aim out and we can go down. But it's a good setup. I think, yeah. It's like playing the range game. Just you are in a uptrend channel, so you are playing the trend. Okay, that's Solana here. It's risky, but it's there. So if you want to long, I think Solana is a good proxy for that. Now go back on 4-hour chart and let's see Joe. Well, not yet. Bouncing from 38.2 for altcoins, usually 90% of the time is not good enough. So long in 38.2, it's just asking for trouble. You should at least wait for pump chaser zone. So below 38.2, a W, you can see confluences here. So yeah, you can play the pump chaser zone if it will give you a setup. If you don't see a W here and bleeding down, wait for the long reload zone because you have better confluences here. That's simple. This fucking big yam spells trouble for my taste, and I don't like it. Now, I don't like to draw house levels on these charts, but I'll do it this time. There you go. Now you can see. First level of house is in the long reload zone. The second one, it's a lot lower. You don't want to see it. Okay, but the first level is here in the long reload zone. So I think this yam is projecting long reload zone. But you have to be patient. You can take pump chaser zone if you'll have a W like this one. W, breakout and retest. No setup for the moment. Dimension. Well, close enough. Straight down, straight bleeding to the downside. Well, you should wait for this one to stop bleeding and then wait for a W like this. Small. You want a small W. Huge risk to reward if you are playing risky setups, no? Here, you can get a bounce but from 61.8, but I prefer not to do it. Big fat round number 1.5. Okay, you can go on 1 hour chart or lower and you can scalp here. Stefan, that's your thing. But I don't see a day trade or a swing trade here. IEVO, well, 50%, straight down. We can bounce, but from now on, we should do something like this. Something like this. So, 61.8 is possible. I could see here above this level, I could see the support and resistance here. To be honest, you should go on, let me show you. You should go on higher time frame, kind of daily, and play power of 3 here. Stefan, frame a setup and post it. I'll let you do that. That's a power of 3. So consolidating, fake out, back up, breaking out, and retest. In this area, you can play mountain man, will probably touch. So take this setup on daily. The target, well, it's up to you. I'll put it at 3 to 1, but you can get more than that. So playing the power of 3 or Stefan setup or classic setup here, taking the 61.8, it's a good idea. On lower time frame, I don't know, you can hunt here to outperform, but it's risky. You can see what happened last time. They stop everyone out and then they play the route. Not the best solution. Okay, ton for our chart. No distribution pattern here. Sorry to tell you, but this is a distribution pattern. Could hold here and go sideways, but I don't like it. Well, Manta is back at entry. Well, it's at entry. Who had the stop loss at entry is out. What you can do on Manta, you can do a simple thing. Really simple. Something like this. Long reload zone. Wait for a W here. You can see well respected fib for the moment. So we bounce from 61.8. Look left. Support. Support resistance level. Nice. Bounce. Will hold? I don't think so. So a W. I need a W. Bullish divergence. For now, nothing bullish. So let's wait. Let's wait. Pipe. Strong. I don't know why it's strong, but it's damn strong. You can see. Doesn't want to go. Okay. What we can do here? Well, we can do two things. Take this high, take this low, swing high. Okay. Put this level. If it's strong, it's strong. Maybe we can try something. Okay, this one. And then let's do this one. Even for that, it's a bit too aggressive, but well, you have one low, equal lows here. I don't like that. But if you want to take this W and play a 3 to 1 for a bot setup, and you can see an AB equals CD, well, why not? Why not? Let's see if we have an entire thing, a touch of 38, 33. Yeah, is there? So we can take the entire thing as a bot. We are just slightly below 33%. Not bad. Let's clone this one. Come on. I think we have better levels like this. There you go. So you can see here, 25 is here. You have 1, 2 lows. Not a good way to front run here, but definitely possible. If it's strong, has events or something is making it strong, why not? That's our trade. I don't like, I said, I specify here. I don't like the equal lows there. But a setup is a setup. Look at it. Okay, that's pipe. Alt. Yeah, give me a W. It's retesting the initial W. It's in the long reload zone. Okay, I see some potential bullish divergence on MACD. Some potential bullish divergence on OBV. That's strong. Give me a W, please. We discussed this one. Range, breakout, back in the range in this area, and we can play this one. Now, please give me a W. Let's see 1 hour. No W yet, sorry. Go back and forth. So, give me a W here and I'll play it. Eagle. Well, I don't want to think about pump chaser zone. I think 61.8 or long reload zone is the key here. As you can see, I'm not even thinking about shorting altcoins. I'm not looking at shorting altcoins. I'm looking at buy the dip kind of scenario. Yeah. So don't tell me I'm a bear. Okay. I just want to buy good levels. So here, good location on FAT. For a trade, wait for a W. For an investment, wait lower. You know my thing. $1 below. Was new and shiny. You want to play around with the house level? I'll show you what I see with the house level. Short house. Well, first level is here at 1.1, the second one is at 80 cents, and the next one is at 20 cents. I don't think we'll reach this level, but we can reach 80 cents for sure. For a setup here on 4-hour chart, yeah, give me a W, breakout retest, and I'll play it. ING, well, W and pump chaser zone. Look left, we have is strong, we have a lot of confluences here, but not enough for us. Not enough, we need a W here. If you look left, a lot of confluences in this area. Let's just see. Yeah, bullish divergence trying to form on RSI, MACD, nothing on OBV. So low, lower low, low, higher low, low, higher low. We can, this is the perfect candidate for a pump chaser zone setup. Yeah? But we need to wait for a W. This is my 2 cents. Okay, that's more than half an hour blabbing away. Let's take a quick look at what we have on the calendar today. Big news, durable goods, GDP, 1 hour before the stock market will open. So watch out. Don't scalp in that close to that event. Just don't do it. You want to protect your capital. It's all you have. This one, it's at 68. Everything is greed. Well, this one reset in the middle of the night, and we had the drop after the print here. So tomorrow will be lower probably, maybe 50. I don't know, but it's showing us. As you can see, W and up. We can do a retest here. What do you say? We can do a TA on this one. We can do a long reload zone here. I think we can. I'm joking, but it's real. You'll see. It's respect. Even this chart will respect the fibs. Okay, that's about everything I wanted to say. Twitter, disappointing as usual. Bullish at resistance, bearish at support. Sorry. That's Twitter. We have some exceptions. We have some people behaving and showing us some value, even some unexpected ones. But in general, influencers are shilling the top as usual. Okay, that being said, I'll go on VIP and hunt ideas with Stefan. In New York session, we'll discuss with premium members. If you are just a general member or you are not on Discord, well, join Discord. We have a free part there and you can get some info. If you want premium, well, you should join us on premium. You'll see a lot of setups, a lot of ideas. We are not babysitting, that's for sure, but I'm posting ideas. So when I see bearish, I'll tell you we are bearish. When I'll see bullish, I'll tell you, well, that's kind of the play. It's suited for us. And for people who know how to trade or they have an idea about trading, it's all the help they need. Some people prefer VIP. Yeah, clear. Entry, stop loss, take profit, in, out, I don't care, I don't have time. Well, if that's you want, Stefan will help you. If you want to learn how to trade, how I'm trading, how Stefan is trading, well, we can help you. We'll have one session this year, and honestly, I don't know if next year I will do another one or not. It's a different environment, 2025. If I'll have time, I'll do it. But this fall, we have Capo 1 and Capo 2. So, same price, I didn't put more money on it. $1,000 I think is damn cheap, is almost free for the work we are doing it. It's up to you. Okay guys, let's not blab away too much. Bitcoin doesn't look strong, but don't short it here. Just don't fucking do it here on lower time frame. I'll see if I'll get a bounce. I'll post a short. Okay, see you guys next time. Let's close the live stream and maybe I could find some setups for me. See you guys. Well, 1 second. Someone had a request and I forget about it, or a question, and I don't want to close until we'll discuss that. LNQ. Well, Let's take a look. Sorry guys, but on Maxi, this one, let's see. Well, I could see something nice here. It's strong, I like it, but I am not a fan of shorting. That's a range. That's a range. On daily. Yeah, nothing special in indicators, but you can see something nice here. I'm not a fan of shorting. I'll repeat that. Who said Sebastian? I think he said about this one. Well, I'm not a fan, but you can see bearish divergence almost confirmed here in the overbought area. It's not a fucking good sign for this one. So, not good. Market pushing higher, testing maybe SFU this level. On daily, you can expect an SFU and play the short side. 4 longs, no. 4 hour chart, I'll take a look. Well, on 4 hour chart, we don't have an EM yet. We don't have an EM yet. We can do something like this. That will help us see the volume. Well, you can see no volume here. So nobody is interested to buy this one here. If I'll go on 1 hour chart, there you go. If you want a setup, it's risky because look at the wicks and tails. I mean, look at the wicks and tails. But if you want a setup, that's the POC. That's your trade. For hunting long ideas, similar. Yeah? You want to hunt long ideas, okay? Hunt long ideas. Well, I could see the middle of the range here. Long ideas, long reload zone. That's simple, Sebastian. Come on, don't BS. Okay. Come on. Let's put this level. And long reload zone. Well, I see some confluences here. So, short, I showed you. Long, all the way down here. That's my view on this one. You had the retest already for that, yeah? It could go straight down. But look, we have some volume here. Don't bet on that. I could see an SFU and then usually on altcoins you'll see something like this. We'll paint a perfect EM, breakdown, retest. Everyone will get short. Okay, that's the trade, and they'll do another SFU to stop everyone out, and that's the top. Okay. Too much blabbing away for me. See you guys next time. Hit the like button if you like the content, the dislike if you didn't like the content, and that's about it. See you guys next time.